Welcome, and thank you for joining us. Today we will be covering the skills that will help make you a top blogger. If you want to be a top blogger, then that means wearing a lot of hats. That is to say that there are a lot of different skills that you will need as a blogger and that can ultimately have a big impact on the success of your blog. We will look at some of the most crucial of those skills in order to see what other things you need to learn to get better at your craft and to enhance your blogging results. Design. If you want to be a great blogger, then learning design can be a great help. Learning to get better at design will allow you to create a better logo for your site initially, but after this, you'll then be able to create a range of other things, such as images to go along with your articles and posts or new designs, and buttons for your website. Coding. You do not need to know code in order to blog. These days, the easiest way to get started with your own website is to install WordPress on your server. This is completely free and makes the process of building a website immensely simple. So don't get nervous, with today's advancements in technology. You don't need to learn coding to be a top blogger. Photography. Finding great-looking images to adorn your blog posts can be hard work and you may end up paying a lot for them. A quick solution to this problem then is to use something called Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content. This includes social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual materials. It provides a user-friendly interface with a variety of pre-designed templates, images, illustrations, and fonts that users can customize to suit their needs. Canva is popular for its simplicity and versatility, making it accessible for individuals without extensive design experience. The platform is available both as a web-based application and a mobile app, making it convenient for users to create professional-looking designs on the go. Create compelling videos. Videos are important and can be used to effectively promote your blog. Technical advancements have also solved this problem. Pictory AI is an online platform and service that create original videos using AI. It provides related images utilizing artificial intelligence (AI) technology for tasks like image recognition, editing, or creation. Using text, a topic, a URL, a blog post, or a video, it creates stunning videos, complete with an assortment of voiceovers. For creating unlimited video in any niche, there is none better than Pictory AI. I highly recommend it to anyone interested in becoming a top blogger. You can find a link to Pictory AI in the description below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything.